In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a PowerPoint presentation from your laptop to WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick when you want to share a class presentation, a business pitch, a project file, or any PowerPoint document directly from your computer without having to transfer it to your phone first. It's quick, easy, and once you know the process, you can use it anytime. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser on your laptop and go to WhatsApp Web by typing web.whatsapp.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Now grab your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the menu or settings option, and choose Link Devices or WhatsApp Web depending on your device. Then scan the QR code shown on your laptop screen. After that, WhatsApp Web will open and sync your chats automatically. Next, open the chat where you want to send the PowerPoint file. This could be an individual contact, a group, or even a saved chat with yourself if you want to keep the file for later. Once the chat is open, look for the plus icon or attachment icon near the message box and click it. From the menu that appears, select Document. This is important because PowerPoint files need to be sent as documents, not as photos or videos. Now browse your laptop files and locate the PowerPoint presentation you want to send. You can choose a .ppt file or a .pptx file, depending on the format you have saved. Click on the file to select it, and then confirm by clicking Open or Send, depending on your browser or device. Before sending, quickly double-check that you selected the correct presentation file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. Once everything looks good, click Send. WhatsApp will upload the file and deliver it to the chat. After a few seconds, your PowerPoint presentation will be sent successfully, and that's it. Your file is now shared from your laptop to WhatsApp. This method is one of the easiest ways to send presentations without any extra software or file conversion. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.